Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about today's top pre-market gainers. Now, there is not much that's coming in for the massive explosions just this morning, but you do have these two stocks, Dgnx and Vnce, that are starting to lead the race in today's pre-market trading session. One thing about Dgnx stock is it has not been out for the markets for too long. They have come out on a IPO, went from $3.60 up to $24. IPOs have a tendency to sell back off in a drastic manner, keep in mind, after they do come out. Let's talk a little bit about Dgnx, about how Dgnx is engaged in the provision of digital assets financial services. The company focuses on delivering a cryptocurrency and digital asset ecosystem offering products and services. The company services include operations of cryptocurrency exchange, the issuance of digital securities, and other products. A crypto related stock with a currently an average value of 3.47 million and a current volume of 997,000 on Dgnx. Now keep in mind, this is a brand new stock out to the markets. Not many see and catch the brand new stock that just comes out to the markets, but you know who does? Us in the Bank with Billy Discord. For the safe, easy, early seat yesterday at 6:30 p.m., you could have been in Dgnx along with the members and the coaches who were catching that, putting out their alerts. Following up with today, Dgnx. Very good alerts out there, Coach Carper. Very good, Mr. George. Keeping everything up to date. And again, teamwork make the dream work. Like I say, this is a brand new stock. And once again, I challenge everybody to show me one stock across the entire market that has not been alerted out for the bull run in the Baker with Billy Discord, that has not been notified and brought to attention for the safe, easy, early seat in the Baker with Billy Discord, even though even this brand new stock that just touched down that the whole world done missed. Well, Baker with Billy was there. Bank with Billy finna be there for the next one. Because I'm already along in my section throwing out what the next best thing to get is. You want to know what the new swing is? Don't miss this. Already holding up in BTC. In fact, BTC on into another explosion. That new position we just got in there. Let me go see how much that's up right now off of our BTC. And so you got a general idea of everything that's going on. Like I say, got into BTC. You just seen the entry on that. You see the entry on that? Down there at that 102,000 or lower. We got in at that bottom down there. You see this explosion coming in? Oh, yeah. You see this coming in? We up 120% in BTC again for another round. For another round. It's easy money. We know what you're going for. And it's the same setup and the same strategy, literally every single trade. Not some of the trades. Not every once in a while, like how y'all favorite YouTubers over there and how those analysts over there and those places that y'all like so much. Not sometimes the same strategy every single trade. Every trade, the same setup and the same strategy. Not every once in a while. Not maybe it was this time to do this and maybe it was this time to do that. No, it's the same thing non-stop and always has been the same exact thing with the same exact setup and the same exact strategy for every single stock, option, crypto, future, stock, market condition, no matter what it is, from oversold to overbought on your specific chart trading time frame. This is not rocket science. It's easy money. Don't get me wrong. You finna be giving a little bit back off the stop loss and stuff like that. You might get in a bit too early sometimes. Maybe you felt the greed and didn't want to lock in gains. Sometimes knew it was overbought. Well, that just means you weren't doing what you were supposed to do. And if you say you're not making those gains in time, you just don't know how you find these because you are not in the Bank of Whitby disc. We are putting out when to buy. What's next live? I just joined in. I wasn't even in there just a second ago. I'll leave out now. Doing a 24/7 live stream. It's not just about just following what I got going on. They in there doing this on their own accord because of real traders and real investors and full-time investors and whatnot. We already know what we going for. So all they need is to go see the Banco Ability Classroom scanner up there, join in and watch that stream. See the alert. We just got to hold another 130% over there. On these pre-market stocks, And I'm showing you BTC so in depth because the Dgnx, like they say, is a crypto stock that's gonna follow that trend. Notice this crash coming in right now, man, from 20 something dollars all the way down to what is $18. Now it could be selling off a lot more, especially once cryptos pull back, especially while this thing is overbought and dangerous. Keep in mind, ain't trying to scare nobody, nothing. Just keep in mind, same sort of same strategy. Then you got VNC. Ain't nothing changed for VNC. You see the same thing, literally, from oversold at $2, bull run now. Let's go see more about VNC. VNCE. This is a very hot one on VNCE. Like, so the VNCE has always been a more popular stock. Lots of news and lots of updates on VNCE stock. Now that the stock is finally starting to get that next round again, and it's getting solid in volume again at 7.30 million, it's still not too late. It's at $4 right now. You're gonna watch a pullback, and they just had news. So on this stock right here on VNCE, and they got a correction for a P180 acquires majority stake in Vence Holdings, term not disclosed. Nvido Stefco to step down as interim CEO. A global contemporary retailer today announced that P180, a new venture focused on accelerating growth profitability in the luxury apparel sector, acquired a majority stake in Vence from affiliate of Sun Capital Partners. This is very extremely bullish news. Hoffman is expected to assume the role of chief executive officer of Vence on or around February 3rd, adding to the bullish sentiment. While people looking around for what's next in the morning today, and they look like, okay, it ain't really too much else going on this morning. But over for us, you see, even just this morning, not just that 120% gain. Check this out. When I say that you missing out on easy gains and easy money every single day, 100% of the time. Not just you just missing out on something sometimes. You missing out on everything 100% of the time. And we doing this all. Look, that 120 right there. That was we locked in for another 40 right there. Right? That was already about 200. Right? We locked in TRX. You see TRX BTC to 250 and 200. This is already over five, almost 700% gains just this morning. That's just in one day. Literally. That's not to mention all the others, what the other coaches are going for, what the other coaches have caught, what the other coaches throwing out, catching those bull runs. That's not to mention what the other coaches are still holding in on from their last swing trades. This is every single day. This is 24/7, and this is 100% of the time, 24/7 live. If you say you want to be a full-time trader, full-time investor, there is no excuses. Come and do it. You're surrounded by thousands and thousands and thousands of full-time investors and traders. Again, I don't say this stuff for nothing. With consistent, non-stop upgraders, and people don't want to cancel their membership in Bankability because they have not only found consistent gains and true trading strategies and whatnot, but they've also found a family. The most important of everything. Yeah, okay, it's all about the money and everything, of course, but the most important is family, unity, and growth together. If you feel like you're alone in these markets, you're not alone anymore. It's easy money. We know what you're going for. Everybody is enjoying to do this. If you're not enjoying your trading strategies and enjoying the markets, you're not looking forward to waking up in the markets and locking in gains how we do every single day. Like we don't even, Bank of Billy Discord, 24/7 live. So the people so excited liking those gains next day don't even want to sleep. You know, you just got to be there. And look, when I say you got to be there, I mean like you really do have to be in the loop of things. Like you stop being in the markets for like 2 3 days. Now you can feel like what's going on, or if those were the right things, or why these new things moving. Things become a little bit more confusing. You want to stay in a loop of things at least. Stay on your studies. That you got HEPA. I was just showing you guys HEPA. Look like Coach Manson. They'll call him some HEPA today. Coach Manson throwing it out. Easy. Even yesterday, Coach Glass. Even yesterday, even Coach Glass. Like I say, multiple coaches. And then when they throw those out, you got the multiple members catching those along with you. Very good, Lisa. Very good, Glass. Very, very good, Coach Manson. You see those on time. Next thing you know, along with the rest of the members succeeding every single day, getting those games early and being done with the rest of the day to enjoy family, enjoy the rest of the sunshine out there and do whatever you got. I mean, it's cold, it's super cold out there right now, but you know, if that's what you want to enjoy, you're finishing like your games now, so you can go enjoy the cold out there if you even want to. You know, get it in early and be done. Lock in your swing trades real quick. Do it more. The man coming in with an update right now. We're gonna sit here and see what he say. He gonna say something about the HEPA. If it change till you know this. And it's all about being up to date. When you locking your gains off of that, you see you up 45% now. Let's go. You can. You don't gotta wait for Coach Messi to lock it in. You don't. You can lock in your 45% right now. And then get ready for one of us in our sections or one of the members in the main chat or somebody who's in class right now, literally in 24/7 live class together right now, literally says what the next thing is. It's easy money. XCUR coming in for another 40% bull run today. They did just come out with some hot news. Very hot news on XCUR. XCUR, and as a purchase agreement of GPCR Therapeutics. Wow, this is very good. This is very good. In connection with the closing of share price, the company and GPR enter a license to collab agreement. Okay, let me show you this about XCUR. Check this out. XCUR is gone from the lows of, excuse me, $1. XCR is gone from $1. Quite literally. Its lowest point. That was back around September. I'm gonna show you. XCUR. XCUR. Once again, for a safe, easy early seat. XCUR for an early bird special. This is back around 9/16/2024. XCUR. Early bird special. Get the early seat. And that was at like 3 a.m. 9/16. Literally. 9/16, showing you exact dates, 100%. From $1 down there, this is going to $36. Now, once again, I've just shown you how you could have caught every single stock that's moving up and exploding. Same as I do on every single video, every single day. It's easy money. We know what you're going for, and it's the same setup and the same strategy literally every single trade. There is no need to be switching anything up. The same thing has been working for years. You don't be trying to switch up now, you're going to mess yourself up. I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in the area. Happy trade.